Hello guys, this is my fourth video on TCS aptitude questions and solutions. It is a very basic percentage and profit loss question which includes both percentage as well as profit loss, and it is frequently asked in TCS examinations. Let us take the question which says that the percentage increase in the number of pens sold by a trader. Basically a trader is selling some pens. He is selling from Tuesday to Wednesday. The pen he sold is same as the percentage decrease in the number of the pens sold by Monday to Tuesday. So look at the question once again. The percentage increase in the number of pens by a trader from Tuesday to Wednesday, it is same to the percentage decrease in the number of pens sold from Monday to Tuesday. So the percentage increase and percentage decrease from Tuesday to Wednesday is equal to Monday to Tuesday. Okay. Let us take the second part of question. On Wednesday, the trader sold 16 pens more than those he sold on Tuesday. It is quite clear that on Wednesday he sold extra 16 pens more than he sold on Tuesday. If the percentage decrease in the sales from Monday to Tuesday is 20%, how many pens did he sell on Tuesday? So let us take the solutions of the question. The options are available to us, which are 20, 96, 100 and 80. Let us take the solution. Let the number of pens sold on Tuesday be X. Okay. We are selling 16 more pens on Wednesday. So take the reference is with the Tuesday. So take the number of pens that are being sold on Tuesday be X. Given that the percentage increase in the number of pens sold by a trader from Tuesday to Wednesday, which was in the first part, which was mentioned in the first part of our question, that the percentage increase in the number of pens sold by a trader from Tuesday to Wednesday was equal to the percentage decrease in the number of pens sold by from Monday to Tuesday. Okay, so the percentage increase in the sales of pen from Tuesday to Wednesday will be equal to percentage decrease in sales from Monday to Tuesday, which will be equal to 20% as given in the question. Then on Wednesday, the trader sold 16 more pens. I have already mentioned it that he sold 16 more pens on Wednesday in reference to Tuesday. And those sold on Tuesday, so the number of pens sold on Wednesday will be equal to how much? X plus 16. It is also clear. And this is 20% more than the number of pens sold on Tuesday. So it can be written as the basic profit, which will be equal to 1 plus 20 by 100, which will be equal to 1.2. We do not 20% as 1.2 if it is a case of profit. If it is a loss, we will declare it by 0.8. 1 plus 0.2, which will be equal to 1.2. 1.2 into x is equal to x plus 16. This will be our equation. So after solving the equation, we will get 6x upon 5 is equal to x plus 16, which will be equal to 80, which is the required solution.